Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shiwangi Vijaywargiya and today I'm taking a 7-day challenge of rubbing a green tea ice cube on my face. Now I've taken a similar kind of challenge for my Instagram last year and I know what this green tea ice cubes does to your skin, but I kind of did not carry it on. But now that I'm starting all over again, I thought let me do it for my YouTube. So this is how my skin's looking like without anything. So there's like absolutely no serum, moisturizer, anything on my face. I have just cleansed it with a mild cleanser, and if you can see, like they're like quite, I wouldn't say so much, but there are open pores here and the redness, the pigmentation here. I only have 2 active acne and that's about it. So we're going to be taking the challenge today onwards, and now I'm going to show you how the green tea ice cubes are made, and post which I would show you the process which you have to follow for next 7 days in case you're interested. So yeah, hang in here to know what it does to my skin. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the procedure of how I made these green tea cubes. So I just take this much water and I put it to the microwave, and I'm just going to set it up for 1.5 minutes. So now that you can see that the water is really hot is when I put this green tea bag, and I'm using this one. This is Girnar's green tea desi kawa, and I leave this glass for at least 1-2 hours until it's like completely cooled down. Also just mix it well and keep it aside. Alright, so now you just squeeze everything. It's been 2 hours and it's quite cold now, and I'm just gonna squeeze everything from this tea bag. ASMR. And I'm gonna take the tray. So this is my regular tray of ice, and just gonna pour it in. All right, so I'm putting it to freeze. So my ice cube tray is ready. I'm just gonna pull out one. So I'm just putting my hair back, and I'm gonna first wash the ice with water, and then I'm gonna take a clean kerchief. You can use actually anything. I'm just using a handkerchief, and put it into this, and you're going to take this side of it and just start rubbing it on your face. You don't want to use it at a single spot for more than 5 seconds, because otherwise your skin's gonna become red. We would come later as to how we treat the acne, the active acne, but before that you just want to keep rubbing it on your skin. So now when it comes to acne, you just really want to leave it for 10 seconds on your acne, because it's going to calm down the inflammation. Just want to do it in circular motion, and we're done. Now I'm going to let my skin soak it all in. What I've really done is I've just applied the green tea ice cube on my face like I've seen, and now I'm going to leave it and let it dry like it's almost dried. Once it's 100% dried, I'm going to do my skincare. I'm not going to wash my face because I want to let the good ingredients of green tea be in my skin and let it work on my skin. And yeah, then we'll see if it's making any difference to us later after. Okay, so we're going to repeat the drill. We're going to wash the ice, and then we're going to put it to a clean cloth. Like I'm using this one. This is a kerchief. So yeah, I'm just going to use it in a circular motion and not more than 5 seconds on any area of my face. So even if you have like puffy eyes, this is going to help you get rid of that in the morning. All right, so we don't see any difference yet, do we? It's too early to see any kind of difference, you guys, but that's all I'm gonna do for the day. I'm gonna let it soak in my skin, let it dry naturally, not gonna wipe, not gonna wash, not gonna do anything. And once it's done, we're gonna do the skincare. Now I'm not sharing my skincare because skincare can be different for everybody. Now I'm a dry skin type, and the basic skincare that I follow is serum, moisturizer, and SPF. That's all I do. So yeah, see you tomorrow, and hopefully we see some kind of difference tomorrow. Hi people, so I woke up late today. Today is our day 3 and I woke up late and you can see the puffiness under my eyes. So I have washed my eyes, washed the cloth using the clean cloth and just going to rub it. In terms of my skin feeling any better, I don't think so, but I do feel that the pores are shrinking. It's just been 2 days of course, but I feel that the pores are shrinking and I'm really happy about that, because if you could see, there are like quite a lot of open pores here. And I also wanted to say that if you're comfortable using it without the cloth, you can go ahead and do that. I used to do that earlier, but the weather is really cold in Hyderabad and that is the reason I don't want to do it. Oh wow, it kind of plumps the lips. Of course it's temporary. So you know the drill, you have to wash the eyes and just use it straight on your face. And like you could see yesterday, there were some whiteheads here, like the white pustules. But yesterday after I rubbed the eyes, it kind of vanished. And that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Today is day 4 and we're gonna see the difference, because I can already see a lot of difference to my skin. And I'm really excited to show this to you guys. Alright you guys, so before we actually start the video, I want to tell you that you know that I had 2 acne here and they were like quite a lot of pigmentation, which has come down to a great extent, and I can see no active acne on my skin, just the pigmentation. The acne which we had when we started this process have almost gone, which were here. And I'm just gonna start the process all over again. Yes guys, so I'm done rubbing the eyes for the 4th day, and like you know, I'm gonna just leave it, not gonna wash it, not gonna do anything, just gonna let it absorb on my skin naturally. I do see a little bit of difference in terms of my acne, like these are almost subsided, and you know, in terms of the pigmentation also, now I understand that's going to take some time, but I do see a difference in terms of the pores. The open pores have closed to a great extent and I love it. Like you can see, there's like still a lot of redness, and I in general have redness on my face, but this is the result and I'm really happy to be taking it over again. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. So it's day 5 and I can see that the marks are fading to a great extent and I love it. And yeah, so by the way, I'm doing this routine in the morning after my shower. You can also do it in the night and then do your skincare, but I'm just liking, and you know, I just feel that it's convenient for me to do it in the morning, because throughout the day, like I'm wearing makeup and then you know, I wash my face after, like once I'm done with my shoots and stuff. So that is around 5-6, and you know, not really sure if I have the strength to do this in the evening or the night. So just like doing it after my shower in the morning, because this is the closer look to my skin and we love it. Hi people, so this is how the skin's looking like, and this is our day 6 and I'm really happy with the skin improvement. And I kind of have absolutely nothing on my skin right now, but you can see that the marks that you see, I'm going to insert the picture of day 1 to day 6 so you can, you know, kind of see the difference it's making to my skin. And you know, obviously just like any skincare, you have to use it continuously. Like my skin was producing a lot of oil in between, you know, because I wear like a lot of skincare and makeup on a daily basis. So I think it was producing a lot of oil in my and my foundation was also kind of becoming you know, little greasy and oily. But now I definitely feel that my skin is producing a lot less oil, and it's, you know, really subtle throughout the day, and I kind of don't feel like washing my face again. And in case you're wondering, then of course just include this in your skincare routine every day. It's not heavy on pocket, it's really cost efficient, and it's just going to take 5 minutes of your day, you know, not even 5 minutes, like really less time. So just include it, girls, just do it. And I'll see you tomorrow, which is our final day, day 7. What's up people, so today is day 7 and you know, day 6 is I think the day I could finally see that the green tea you know, antioxidants are working on my skin. And if you can see closely, the pigmentation has gone down to a great extent when you compare it to day 1. So yeah, while I'm at it, you know, you might see a little bit of redness on my skin because then I just left the eyes there. But you know, if you're somebody who's like going through active acne, then I would highly recommend this one because this has worked wonderfully for me. And if you're wondering, you know, what to do after you're done with this, you just have to do your skincare. The good properties of green tea would start showing result within like 4 to 5 days. So in like first few days, if you see no result, don't be disheartened, continue doing it. Because for any skincare to show you the results, it takes time. Like if you want to compare from day 1 to day 7, you can see like the discoloration has come down to a great extent and almost no open pores. And obviously you have to like continue doing this, and when you do that, you're gonna see the result. And I'm really happy about the results, and I'm gonna continue doing this. So in case you guys like this video, please like, share, comment. It will really help me a lot. And yeah, that's about it. If you want to try something, if you want me to try something else or any other challenges, just let me know and I would be more than happy to do that for you. And I will see you next time.